Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden center. Today's video, just going to show you a couple new plants that are in our local B&M. Just popped in today to see what else is new. Just to show you here, we do have one of the very large Trachycarpus palms. Now this one's still 150 pounds, but I would say this is looking at nearly a 6-foot trunk, which is quite a bit larger than some of the other ones. Just as we come down here, you can just see we've got some of the salix in, your normal standard bedding. Of course, as well, you can just see some of the lavender, a couple new Digiplexus. Again, not one I've grown before, but you know, looks quite a nice plant for the price as well. Again, this one up here, so Ingenium Big Blue, not one I've seen, but if you have a look at it, it's kind of hard to pick up on camera here. It is actually very blue. Quite a cool little plant there. So another one, again, that one's just coming in at £8.50, and you can just see here next to that, one of the ones I did want to show you here. So we've got the Ensete Morelli ventricosum, so it's your red Abyssinian banana. You can just see here, decent size on these, and it does look like as well, we've also got Musa sikkimensis Ever Red, which you can just see here, and again, coming in at just £12.50 on these. Quite cool plants, good size. I mean, you're talking probably, what's that, 5-liter pot, and I would say up to about sort of 4.5 foot on those. A good head start if you're looking to get into the Ensete Morellis. Again, something like this, give it a good season and you should be able to overwinter this sort of dry storing, things like that. But with that said, yeah, oh, and just at the bottom here, some more of the Brunnera. Again, £6.50 on those. But with that said, yeah, just really wanted to show you that one today, guys. Again, something we had in last year, but as you can see, we've got it back in this year. Again, I think, you know, keep an eye out. Again, as you can see, some of those Bengals there, really nice colors and striation on those. But yeah, of course, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, that'll be in the comment section below. Of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe and join our amazing community. Of course, try and keep you up to date as soon as things come out into our store. But with that said, of course, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.